Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Perplexity AI quick fix step by step clearly. To begin using Perplexity AI, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.perplexity.ai and hit enter. The home page will load, presenting you with a clean interface. Find the search bar prominently displayed in the center. Click on the search bar to activate it. Type in your question or topic of interest. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Wait for the system to process your request. Review the results that appear on the screen. One by one, explore each response provided. Click on any link that piques your interest for more detailed information. Use the sidebar features to refine your search if needed. You may encounter options to adjust settings for better results. Keep an eye out for suggested related queries as you navigate. If additional clarification is needed, feel free to ask follow-up questions. For more advanced features, explore the Settings menu. Adjust preferences based on your usage needs and preferences. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools. Once satisfied with your results, you can copy or save any information you need. Remember, the platform may update its features over time. Stay curious and continue experimenting with different queries for the best outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.